passing through 3 points. दिलेल्या 3 बिंदूतून वर्तुळ संख्या काढते. When given 3 points are may be collinear or non-collinear points. दिलेले 3 बिंदू एक तर एकरेषीय असतात किंवा नैकरेषीय असतात. First, given 3 points are non-collinear point. Point A, point B, and point C. 3 points in a plane are non-collinear point. To draw a circle passing through these 3 points, and you will observe how many circles passing through it. First, to join segment AC, segment BC, AB, and to join segment BC. Then you get triangle ABC. To draw a circle passing through given point A, B, and C. How to draw? When you learn in 9th standard. Circle passing through given 3 points, or circumcircle passing through given vertices of triangle. First, to draw any two perpendicular bisector of any two sides, we have to draw perpendicular bisector of side AB. त्रिकोणाच्या तीनही शिरोबिंदूतून जाणारे वर्तुळ काढण्यासाठी त्रिकोणाच्या कोणत्याही 2 बाजूचे लंबदुभाजक काढा. First, to draw the perpendicular bisector of side AB, put your compass on point A, take a distance in your compass more than half to draw an arc on both sides from point A and B. Then we get the perpendicular bisector of side AB. To join the intersection point of an arc on both sides, this is the perpendicular bisector of side AB. To draw the perpendicular bisector of side BC, take a distance in your compass more than half from point C and to mark an arc on both sides of side BC. And to draw perpendicular bisector passing through intersection point of an arc. When two perpendicular bisectors intersect to each other at point O, this point O, take to draw a circle with center O of radius OA or OC or OB. Put your compass on point O and take distance with radius as OC. And to draw a circle passing through given 3 points A, B, C. There is no other center of point A, B, C is one and only one circle passing through given 3 non-collinear points. म्हणून दिलेल्या 3 नैकरेषीय बिंदूतून एक आणि एकच वर्तुळ काढता येते. When maybe given 3 points are collinear points. This point P, point Q, and point R. These 3 points are collinear points. When try to draw a circle passing through given 3 point P, Q, R. There is no any one circle passing through given point P, Q, R. Hence, 3 non-collinear points passing through only one circle, and given 3 collinear points there is no passing through a circle. 3 नैकरेषीय बिंदूतून एक वर्तुळ काढता येते, परंतु दिलेले बिंदू जर एकरेषीय असतील तर त्या तीनही बिंदूतून जाणारे एकही वर्तुळ काढता येत नाही.